So hey everyone, Dennis Smart with Enstrom Helicopter here, and we've got a real fun trip planned today. My wife and I are going to fly from Green Bay, Wisconsin out to Lebanon, New Hampshire. We are bringing this beautiful 480B out there, belongs to one of our dealers, and we're going to use the opportunity to go visit our dealer, Roger Sharkey at Sharkey's Helicopters out in New Hampshire. Here we are in Cleveland, Ohio, Burke Lakefront Airport. Always wanted to come here. They have an IndyCar race here every year, and I always thought it was a cool airport, so I always wanted to check it out. Made it in just before dusk. Good morning, everyone. It's a little past dark 30 here in Cleveland, Ohio. We're at Burke Lakefront Airport, getting ready to head back east, head north. We're going to cross through northern Pennsylvania and then into upstate New York to Sharkey's Helicopters up in Lebanon, New Hampshire. So looking forward to a nice flight, and we can get a little view of the airport here. There's our ride, 875 Juliet Romeo, beautiful 480B. Looking forward to a real nice flight this morning. Made it to Lebanon, New Hampshire. Just a gorgeous flight over the mountains, beautiful. If you've never flown this part of the country, highly recommend it. Incredible scenery, incredible views, and it was something on my bucket list, and great to have knocked it off, and I really think you should add it to your bucket list as well. I want to give a huge thanks to Roger Sharkey at Sharkey's Helicopters for inviting us out here and letting us fly this absolutely gorgeous 480B. If you're looking for Enstrom parts or Enstrom helicopters, Roger's the man. Talk to him. Sharkeys.com for more information on Roger Sharkey and Sharkey's Helicopters, and EnstromHelicopter.com for more information on Enstrom. We're going to sign off. Great flight. Look to see you at the next one. Thanks.